Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a Power BI project titled AI Job Data Analysis, a visual dashboard built to analyze global trends in the artificial intelligence job market. This dashboard helps answer important questions like, which AI jobs pay the most? How many jobs are remote versus on-site? Which industries are offering the highest salaries? And how do salaries vary by year, currency, and job title? The analysis is based on job postings with fields like salary, location, benefits, and remote ratio. Let's start with the KPIs at the top. Remote percent is just 0.66%, which tells us most AI jobs are currently on-site. Median salary stands at around 99.7 thousand United States dollars, a solid figure for AI roles. We've analyzed 15,000 plus job postings in this dataset. The average benefits score is 7.5, suggesting that most employers are offering attractive packages. And the maximum salary recorded is an impressive 399,000 United States dollars. Next, we have a tree map showing total salary by job title. The largest boxes represent roles with the highest total salaries. Leading the chart are positions like machine learning engineer, AI software engineer, head of AI, data engineer, and AI researcher. These are clearly the top paying and most demanded roles in the AI space. On the right, we have a line area chart displaying the top 5 industries by salary. Industries like retail, media, and consulting are ahead of the curve, offering higher salary totals compared to others like technology or real estate. This is valuable insight if you're targeting high-paying sectors. The line graph below tracks salary distribution across years. We can see a decline from 2024 to 2025 in total salary, which may be due to fewer job postings or lower compensation offers in 2025, or simply because 2025 data is incomplete. This bar chart shows salary distribution by job title and salary currency. USD is the dominant currency used for AI job salaries. But it also shows payments in EUR and GBP, which is helpful for comparing international opportunities. Finally, the donut chart shows the remote versus on-site split. 66% of jobs are on-site. 34% are remote or hybrid, visualized through remote ratio levels, 0, 50, or 100. This gives a clear picture of the flexibility employers are offering in the AI job space. So, to sum it up, machine learning roles lead in both salary and volume. Retail and media industries are offering the highest pay. Most roles are still on-site with only a small portion being remote. And salaries vary by both currency and region. This dashboard is a great tool for anyone exploring the AI job market, from job seekers to HR professionals. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more Power BI projects. You can also download the dashboard file from the link in the description. See you in the next one.